guys, it's me. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make slime. This is one of my recipes, so I'll just get started. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Okay, the material we'll be needing is dish soap. I'm using this brand. You can use any brand as long as it's like liquid, not thick. You'll also need some glue. I'm using this glue pen. You'll also need this spray. You can use, I don't know if you can use any brand. I'm just using this brand because it worked for me. And you'll also be needing something to mix in, something to mix with something. First, you're going to put as much glue as you want, and this will shrink your slime. So you're going to put more than you need, but I'm just putting a little bit because I have more over there. Okay. Then you want to add your spray. Not that much. I have a little bit left. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna put this back. Okay. I just put this back, and then you want to mix well. Okay. Then you want to add. Then you want to add your dish soap. You want to put half. You want to cover half of the glue with dish soap, and then you want to mix well. You may need to add a little bit more. So here it is. I'm just mixing it, and let's see. This is really cool, but it needs some time. So here it is. So when you mix it, then it's like very thick. I don't know really how to show you guys, but it's like very thick. So I don't know how to guys. Yeah, I'm just mixing, and there will be some water like in your place, but that's okay. That's totally fine. The water means you mixed well enough. So yeah. So now I'm gonna take this to the sink. Okay. Where can I put this? Like over here. This takes some time, like about 5 to 10 minutes to make the sound. Mine makes the sound pretty good. Mine only has 5 minutes. So yours may take longer. Something. Now I'm just putting it in my hand. There are some water, so that's okay if there are some water. I'm just opening my sink just a little bit. I'm just putting some water in my container. So I'm just doing that. And then you want to mix your slime. See, it's pretty clear. You can use You can use white or clear glue. It doesn't matter, but clear glue makes your slime like clear. White glue makes your slime like normal color. Like, yeah. Here it is so far, but this will be stretchy a lot, and I'm not scanning you or something like this. Mine really worked, and this is a completely my idea, but if anyone did this idea, I'll give credits to them. And yeah, bye. Yeah, guys, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Bye.